Hello, I'm Bob Allison, WB1GCM, here at the ARL Laboratory. I'm going to show you what Ward Silver wrote about, the Yaesu FT-252. Well, here it is, the Yaesu FT-252. Let's do a walk around. Minimal buttons. The microphone is here. Here's the speaker behind this stylish grill. Turn it around and we have just a push-to-talk button. On top is the rubber flexible antenna. Here's your dial for tuning and other purposes. And on the side is a DC input jack. But please remember to use the provided wall wart type of charging or the optional DC to DC power source adapter that plugs into this jack. And you just lift this right up like that. There's the jack, and that's all that is to it. Make sure this little cover's closed so that this unit can survive a splash in the puddle or the lake. Alright, let's see what happens when I press this button. It turns on, 8.2 volts. Now the buttons are minimal. We'll start with the volume control. Press it once and adjust your volume with the knob. Press it again and there's your squelch adjustment. Kill that and press it again. You're back to your VFO or your memory, depending upon what you're looking at. Power output's pretty simple to adjust. Press the button. Low power, high power, medium power, low power. And just simply click the mic button to change it to low power. The set button is right here. Press that, and now you're entering the different menus, the different parameters that you can adjust your radio to. So we can adjust, let's go up to tone frequency. Set it again, and I have it set to 110.9, which is the PL tone for the Glastonbury repeater on 14709. Hit that button, set button again, key the mic, and then you save that parameter, 14709. There are 46 positions in the set function here. This is your frequency step and the memory right button. If I press this button right here, I can now adjust for megahertz steps and go up and down the band and listen to the weather band, the local fire department, or anything else that happens to be up there. And then press it again. Now we're back to whatever step you have it programmed to. I have it set for 5 kilohertz steps. Reverse is self-explanatory, and here is your VFO or memory. It's easy enough to go over to memory entry in this. It's simple. Read the instructions, and you'll find that this radio is entirely easy to program. Although, guess what? There's no software programming at all. It has to be programmed in manually. That can take you time, but you'll also get very familiar with using your transceiver. And here's the Yaesu FT-252's brother, the Yaesu FT-257 440 rig. And look, I have it set to the temperature. It's 27 degrees Celsius here in the laboratory. I'm Bob Allison, WB1GCM, here at the ARL Laboratory.